hour. Macon, it was mostly sunny, 78 degrees, winds at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 21 miles an hour. Columbus,
They're probably going to do it right now.
77
Yeah,
degrees,
they might.
winds
Because today is
18
Wednesday.
miles an hour,
They do weekly
gusting
tests.
to 30 miles an hour. Birmingham, it was partly sunny, 76 degrees.
Oh, here we go.
Was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System.
Oh, that sounded loud.
KEC80. This test is approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning.
Yeah, one of the most loudest weather radios I got.
And the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
Well, there you have it, guys. So that concludes the weekly tests, and we now return to regular programming.